Hi guys, my name is Tokir Ahmed and I cordially welcome all of you on my YouTube channel Paramount Academy for English Language. Dear student, in my last video I told you about the changes that we make when we change direct into indirect so far as declarative sentences are concerned. Today, I'm going to make you understand that what are the changes that we make when we change direct into indirect while discussing or handling or tackling imperative sentences. We are going to talk about imperative sentences. Imperative sentences. Before proceeding, let me tell you one thing at the outset of my lecture. Imperative sentences, what do we mean by imperative sentence? An imperative sentence is a sentence that contains any of these four things. Number one, command. Number two, request. Number three, prohibition. And command, request, prohibition, and sometimes advice. A piece of advice is given. So an imperative sentence is a sentence that contains any of these four things. So, what are the changes that are required to change direct into indirect so far as imperative sentences are concerned? I have told you briefly what do we mean or what do I mean by an imperative sentence. First of all, I shall make you understand by writing a sentence. He said to his mother, inverted commas begin, please give me some money. Okay, we are going to identify first of all that either this is or this sentence contains a piece of advice, either there is a command, request, or prohibition. So, in order to change or convert this sentence into indirect, clear? First of all, you will have to go through, clear, or you will have to dive deep into your reported speech, because you will have to change your reporting verb according to the sense given by reported speech. Clear? Let me repeat what I said, that in order to change imperative sentences, clear, into indirect speech, you will have to look at, clear, deeply, and you will have to ponder, you will have to dive deep into your reported speech. Why is it so? The reason is that you will have to change your reporting verb according to the sense given by reported speech. Exactly. So look, here your reported speech gives you a sense of, you will have to determine first, or you will have to identify that either your reported speech gives a sense of command, sense of order, sense of request, sense of advice, or sense of prohibition. So first you will have to determine. So as I can see, and you as well, please, simple, this is a sense, this gives the sense of request. So you will have to change your reporting verb according to the sense given by reported speech. So you will have to change that reporting verb. He, now not said, he requested, There are two reasons that why did I write requested. Number one, sense given by the reported speech, request. Your reporting verb is in past tense, so you will have to write it is in past tense as well. He requested. Now there is a slight change. What is that? To infinitive. To. So far as your direct speech is concerned, this infinitive to, clear, succeeds the verb, means it comes after the verb. But when we talk about indirect speech, to infinitive precedes, clear, he requested his mother to. Look, in indirect speech, infinitives comes, clear, after the object. Here it comes after the verb, clear, and before the object. In indirect speech, in direct speech, what happened? That to infinitive, clear, it precedes the object and it succeeds the verb. Succeeds means coming after. Precedes means coming before. Infinitive. In direct speech, I am trying my level best to make things easier for you, convenient for you. Look here, in direct speech, what happened? To infinitive, this is called infinitive in language. It succeeds the verb and it precedes the object. But when we talk about indirect speech, to, that is infinitive, it precedes the object, you can say. So, he requested his mother to give. Now, him. Now, why him? As I told you in my last video, that all the first persons in your reported speech would be changed according to your subject. Number one. Number two, you will have to look that either your person, means first person, has been used as a subject, either it has been used as an object, or it is used in its possessive case. So here our pronoun I has been used as I, my, me. I has been used in its objective case. So definitely we will have to, clear, correspond to our subject. There should be conformity between your pronoun and the subject. So you will have to change your subject according to the case of your pronoun here in the indirect speech. Clear? Your reported speech. So here objective case of I has been used. So you will have to use objective case of your subject, that is him. I hope you would have grasped the idea. So his mother to give him some money. Some money. So let me explain again. Look, he requested. Why did I write? Because sense given by your reported speech. Now, second form, because your reporting verb is in second form. Then infinitive, clear, succeeds the subject. Succeeds the object, succeeds the object. Here it precedes the object. In, clear, reporting speech, what happens? Your infinitive precedes your object. In here it succeeds your object. Okay, then change of pronoun. Clear? Change of pronoun. Here first person I, objective case of I. So as I told you that all the first person pronouns I or we in reported speech would be changed according to your subject of the reporting speech. So here me is the objective case of I. So when we go after he, so we will have to use the objective case of he, and that is him. That is him. So this is, clear, the sense given by reported speech, and we have changed we have changed our reporting verb according to the sense given by the reported speech. This is request. Now let me cite an example of order or command. The teacher said to the students, bring me a piece of paper, inverted commas, class. Now look, the teacher said to the student, bring me a piece of paper. Now you can see that bring me a piece of paper, clear imperative, because it gives you a sense of order. Teacher has given order to the student. So you will have to change your reporting verb accordingly. Okay? First of all, you will have to look before converting or before changing your reported speech. You will have to look at your reported speech, because you will have to change your reporting verb according to this one, according to the sense given by the reported speech. Here your reported speech that is enclosed within commas. I have put commas over there. Clear? So it gives you a sense of order. It gives you a sense of command. So you will have to, the teacher ordered. Again, because said past order, the teacher ordered the student. Again you can see here infinitive precedes the object. Here infinitive, TO2 infinitive succeeds the object, comes after the object. Here it comes before the object. It is to be kept in mind. The teacher ordered the student, clear, to bring. Again, me, change of pronoun is required over here. I, my, me. Same is it was in the last sentence. Me, it will be changed according to the subject. Clear? The teacher. Clear? Male. So he, definitely. So you will have to change this one according to this one, according to the subject of the reporting speech. So he is the subject. Clear? Gender. So me is again objective case of I. So you will have to change, clear, according to the subject, and you will have to use objective case of he, him. Bring him a piece of P-I-E-C-E piece of paper. It's simple and easy as compared to declarative sentences. So you will have to keep in mind two things, that you will have to change your reporting verb according to the sense given by a reported speech, number one. Number two, you will have to keep in mind the proper place, which we call in English slot, S-L-O-T, slot of infinitive while converting direct into indirect speech. This is very, very important to bear in mind. Let me proceed. This was order, and there is a prohibition. What do we do so far as prohibition is concerned? His father said to him, do not go in the dark. Now look, do not, don't do, clear, or don't go. There is a prohibition, forbidden. When we want someone not to do, when we want to stop somebody from doing something, that is called prohibition. So his father said to him, do not go in the dark. Now here, this your reported speech gives you a sense of prohibition, forbiddance rather, forbiddance in English. So forbid is a verb, clear, and second form of forbid is forbade. Forbade, clear. His father said to him, do not go in the dark. Simple. You will have to change your reporting verb according to the sense given by your reported speech. Your reported speech is giving a sense of prohibition, means stoppage from doing something. So his father, clear. Now you will have to change this according to the sense. Forbade. Why forbade? Because forbid is the first form, rokna, to stop somebody from doing something. His father forbade him. Clear? Not, do not has been replaced by forbade. His father forbade him to. Clear? Again, you can see here infinitive precedes the object. Here infinitive succeeds the object. Clear? His father forbade him to go in the dark. Full stop. Second form. Why is it so? Because your reporting verb is in past tense. Why I didn't use this don't? Because sense has been given. Do not has been substituted or replaced by this word forbade. Now let me proceed to the other, and that is advice. He said to his son, respect your teachers. Stop. Now look, first of all, before conversion, we will have to dive deep in our reported speech, because we will have to probe, we will have to go after the sense given by the reported speech, because we have to change our reporting verb accordingly. So he said to his son, respect your teachers. Now there is a piece of advice. Sentence itself tells you the sense it gives. So he advise. So let me tell you one thing, that two words are there, advise. Clear? When we go after phonetic transcription of this word, clear? So this here, z sound, advise. This is a verb. Clear? And this is sa sound. This is a noun. Advise. Clear? This is a sa sound. This is a noun. This is a sound. This is a verb. Clear? Here it is used as a verb. Clear? He advised. Clear? His son. I have heard many people saying, clear, a piece of I advised. So people say that I practiced. No, this I practiced. This is a verb. Practice. He advised his son. What to? Again, object. Clear, his son, the whole. infinitive. Clear? Preceding the object. Here, object, infinitive. Clear? Again, it succeeds. Object. He advised his son to respect. Now here, second person, first time. If there is a second person, it will be changed according to the object of reporting speech. If there is a second person in your reported speech, clear, you will have to change it according to the object of the reporting speech. Again, his son, he. Clear? Now you, your, you. This is clear, possessive. Possessive case of you. Definitely, when you will go here, what would you do? Definitely you will have to use the possessive case of he. And possessive case of he is respect his teachers. His teachers. So this was a very brief lecture about the conversion of imperative sentences from direct into indirect. This was the whole about which I had so far as today's topic is concerned. So I hope you people would have grasped the idea. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. I will be with you very soon with new topic, with new zeal and fervor. Then, thank you. Bye bye.